Are you intimidated by my corned beef pechay dish? Don't be. It's incredibly affordable and budget friendly. It's delicious and nutritious in our body, so don't hesitate because your family and friends are sure to love it. What are you waiting for? You won't believe how easy is this. Time to get cooking. Add small amount of oil. Press garlic and onion sauteed to perfection. Corned beef in a sachet, ready to go. The magic happens when you mix it all together. Adding a touch of savory goodness with a beef cube. Drop the pechay leaves into the pan and simmer for about 15 minutes until the leaves soften. Don't let those leaves burn. Add a little water to create a delicious sauce and keep things simmering nicely. Open the lid and check the texture of the pechay leaves. It should be soft and tender. Add the soaked sotanghon noodles. Then the beaten egg for a boost of flavor and richness. Add 1 tablespoon of pea sauce for an extra umami punch. Stir in 1 teaspoon of sugar to bring out the sweetness and create a harmonious flavor profile. Time to taste and see. And there you have it, corned beef pechay ready to eat. Plate it up beautifully for a stunning presentation. Corned beef pechay ready to eat. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. See you soon. Bye.